Look, man, I get it. You might not rock dress shoes every day. But if you do pull them out and they look like this, with more wrinkles than old Clyde himself, then yeah, we've got a problem. My name's Clyde, and welcome to another episode of Clean Shoes. Alright, take a close look at this. See that? Looks kinda cracked, right? You know why? Well, it's all that cream and wax you've been using. Or maybe not using all that regularly, huh? Over time, all that product builds up, and as the leather bends and naturally dries out, you get this. We gotta fix that. And here's how you fix it, mate. You need a strong but gentle cleaner. I use, and highly recommend, this one right here. Saphir. These guys have been in the game for like 100 years, so yeah, they know their stuff. What's important to know is that this cleaner dissolves old creams and waxes without stripping the color off your shoes. Unlike some cheap knockoff that could leave you with a whole new shade you didn't ask for. So watch out for that. First, you gotta give this stuff a good shake and grab yourself a clean cotton cloth. But listen up, there's one more thing you really need to know. This stuff reeks. Like seriously, it's a solvent. So yeah, that's kind of the deal. Do yourself a favor. Take it outside or at least crack a window and sit right next to it. Unless, of course, you're trying to get high. But hey, that's on you. Hey, don't even think about skipping this step. I see you. Miss something, and you're just gonna mess it up later. Alright, now take that cloth, dab a little cleaner on it, and start working it into the leather. Nice and slow, small circular motions. No need to press too hard. This stuff basically does the work for you. Just go section by section, and you'll see the grime coming off right on the cloth. Kinda satisfying, huh? Fire. To make your life easier, slap a cedar shoe tree in there. It straightens the shoe out and keeps the leather nice and firm while you work. Check it out. Yeah, right there, baby. Just like that. And now, you're gonna repeat this simple little exercise over and over until the whole shoe is clean. Actually, both shoes, obviously. What's important here? Keep turning the cloth every now and then. You can't just keep rubbing with the same dirty spot, or you'll just be smearing the gunk around. And that's not the vibe we're going for. Yeah, baby, over and over, back and forth. still here? Good. As you can see, the shoe's not shining much anymore. That's because all the wax that was giving it that shine has been wiped off. Makes sense, right? By the way, have you hit that like button yet? Or are you just sitting there watching? Trust me, I'm gonna teach you a lot more, mate. A lot more. But I need to know you're into it, all right? Now, we'll just give it a light brush. No heavy polishing. But if there are any fuzzies left from the cloth or whatever, we'll clear those off. Yeah, mate, don't forget to close that. If you leave it open, it'll spill everywhere, and you'll be airing out the place for a year. All right, let's keep rolling. While these dry a bit, let's move on. These shoes have leather soles. It's like having leather seats in your car. Just classy, you know? But they need some care too. Let me show you how. This is a leather conditioner. It's got natural fats and oils in it. Yeah, from animals. But come on, your shoes aren't made of dandelions, are they? This stuff keeps the leather soft and prevents water from soaking in. And that's the important part. This isn't gonna be hard, but still, keep your eyes peeled, all right? Mate, bet you didn't see that coming, huh? Just smear that conditioner all over the leather sole. Everywhere. You'll see how quickly it starts soaking in. Make sure to cover it all, and that's it. Any spots that don't absorb, just wipe off. No stress. Feel free to add a little extra. Don't hold back. Yo, you hear that leather working? I love that sound. Make sure you close everything up properly, so it doesn't stink up your space or dry out. Now let's get back to the upper part of the shoe. You're gonna need some cream for that. Don't cheap out on it. Get the best you can. Trust me, it's worth it. As for the color, you can go with a cream that matches the shade as closely as possible, or you can have a little fun and step outside the lines. Nothing's gonna break if you don't match it perfectly. Or, hey, you could just go with a neutral cream. That's always an option too. I'm going with this nice brown today. Same deal. Grab a little and rub it into the shoe. Watch the amount, though. More doesn't mean better here. It's gotta be just the right amount for the leather to absorb. Better to go with a thinner layer first, and then you can add more if you need it. This cream's got a few years on it, so it's a little drier. But look at that. It's still holding up just fine. You can keep using it, no problem. Yeah, none of us are getting any younger, right? And now, my favorite part, polishing. A good quality horsehair brush, nice wooden handle, all that jazz. This is where the magic happens. Listen, don't go pushing down on the brush. This ain't a jackhammer, mate. Just let it glide over the surface, nice and light. It'll do all the work for you. Hey, this is looking good. By the way, did you hit that like yet? I'll check later after I'm done playing with this beauty. Looking sharp, huh? This, mate, is the cherry on top. This is the polishing wax, also from Saphir. I seriously recommend sticking to one brand. It all just works together perfectly. This wax will give you that extra shine you're after, and you know you love that, right? Let it sit for a minute, just long enough to check your phone and see what's new, and then polish it again with the brush. And listen, if you skip this step, you're not a real shoe lover in my book. This is the final serenade, my friend. So, mate, tell me, was it better before or now? With shoes like these, you won't be the guy who found a pair by the trash and doesn't know how to clean them. You'll feel good in them, I guarantee it. That's the word of old Clyde. Final touch with a microfiber cloth, and we're done. Told you from the start, we'd nail this together. And look at that, we did. So listen, mate, it's been a pleasure teaching you something today. All I ask in return is a like or a comment. Let me know if this was helpful and if you liked it. Do old Clyde a favor, and when you click a subscribe, I'll find you better next time. Then we'll dive into some more shoes. Don't forget to rock those clean kicks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.